Raining frogs. Shifting grains of glass, loosely packed flakes of iron and fool's gold, ancient seashells in a fine paste, moving, blowing, taking flight and slipping below, shifting, flowing, ancient limestone and granite touching and entwining. Plague songs drift over the quartz radio, crystal vibrating, oscillating, copper-wrapped coil of Japanese phrases, a naked breakfast of locust and rain. Out of the wheat-colored linen, woven tightly, so tightly, 600 threads per inch, out of the wheat-colored linen, red satin soiling, to the river, in the water. Frog drops from black helicopters, overhead shouts of speakless volumes, muddled blood staining bare-legged sandaled feet, pitchfork and spear, broadsword and horsehair, pointed nose and pinched eye, a rude gesture incline, centurion. Cornrows and hashtags defile the crackers, blisters, flour, water, and soul. Pick out their eyes and give them hope of the nuclear winter snowdrifts of safety and purple pointed toes.